Hello everyone, this is Nancy from Amanda Group. Today we will show you how to install the RO system. Firstly is the pipe fitting connection. First step, connect the raw water to the pump. This is the raw water pump. Here with the female thread, you can arrange a pipe fitting like this and connect these pipe fittings here, connect the pipe length based on your request. This is the 3-stage pre-treatment pour-out connection. You can connect these pipes to the drainage. This is sample water outlet, and you can test the water soft or not. This is connected to the water softener plant. This is concentrate water pour out. You can connect the pipes to pour out the water. This is pure water outlet. You can connect the pipe length to the pure water tank for application. Now we will introduce how to install the RO membrane. Firstly, open the RO membrane holding. Unconnected the pipe fittings. Open the end seal, end cap, and then put the RO membrane inside it. Please pay attention to the direction. Most of the RO membrane have the direction, but some brand don't have the direction. This side, this end with the black seal is the inlet. And that's all. And then seal the end cap. Connect the pipe fittings together. That's all. The other RO membrane holding same like this. Now we will show you how to operate the RO system. Firstly, I will introduce the front. Thin filter, carbon filter, water softener, and RO unit. Firstly, let's turn right this button, begin the manual regeneration. Now, let's begin the thin filter wash. Firstly, back wash for 5 minutes. Fast wash 5 minutes. Back wash 5 minutes again. Fast wash 5 minutes again, till the wastewater pour out clearly. Let's back to running station. And then the carbon filter, the process is same as thin filter. Unlock the valves. And then setting the station to backwash. Pour the water inside till the tank is full. Setting the station to running again. Pour out the water, that's all. This is the setting to running station. For the detailed process, you can refer to the manuals. After the